Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account is temporarily suspended due to multiple violations of our community guidelines. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your TikTok account, when you have opened your TikTok account facing this issue that your account has been suspended, or when you have logged in your TikTok account and facing the issue that can't log in your TikTok account has been temporarily suspended. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your TikTok account. And guys, after this you need to click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys scroll it below. Here is the option of report a problem, and after this you have to wait for some seconds, and simply you have to click on account and profile, and guys here is the option of login. Simply you have to click on this tab, and guys after this first of all here is the option that is suspended account. Simply you have to click on this tab, and guys after this you need to click on this is the option self-service solution tab to check if your account has been suspended. So guys, when I am clicking on it, then guys you will find that what kind of violation has been active. So guys, as you can see here, I have fixed this problem already. So guys, if you have here the option of suspended account means any community guidelines violation, then guys here you will find the option of review or submit your appeal. So guys, simply you have to click on this tab, and guys you need to upload a screenshot of that problem and write an appeal that your account has been suspended by mistake without any reason. And guys after this TikTok team will review your appeal, and guys they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.